18:21. Number 8, be persistent and courageous. Ephesians chapter 6, verse 10 to 18. Number 9, be trustworthy and responsible. And number 10, use time wisely. Okay? Use time wisely. Short story. Ito pong past week, nag-training pa ako sa isang company dito sa Ortigas. Yun pong insurance life company. Yung Fortune Life, Fortune Life Insurance Company. They are a big company with, I think, 13 or 14 other companies. So, conglomeration sila. Okay? Kung ay nag-train, sabi sa akin sa communication, 1 week before yung training, a training should be on time or maaaring 10 to 15 minutes ahead of time ang schedule. So, ang training namin ay 9 o'clock. So, dapat, ibig sabihin, by 8:30 or 8:45 ay nandun na kami. Okay? So, ako, dahil galing ako ng Bulacan, sa Pagpalay, alis ako ng alas 5 ng umaga. Pagdating ko po ng Ortigas, wala pang alas 8. So, nandun ako. Alam nyo, nag-start 10:30. Sakit sa ulo. Pagkatapos yung trainer, lakad dito, lakad doon. No? Sabi ko, walang tamang paggamit ng oras. Honest to goodness, ilan po ang guilty sa tinatawag nating tamang paggamit ng oras sa church? Alas 9, ang dating 9:30. Diba?
Tapos namin
11.
Grouping na.
Yung use time wisely, Ephesians 5:15 to 17, no? Then, number 11, be quick to obey God. Okay? Luke chapter 5, verse 4 to 9. And then, number 12, some dynamics of biblical leadership ay have faith in God, not just faith in faith. Magkaiba po. Ang ibig sabihin po niyan ay ganito. Magkaroon ka ng pananampalataya sa Diyos, hindi dahil sa meron kang pananampalataya sa sinasabi mong pananampalataya. Okay? Minsan ganito po yan ang ibig sabihin. Naniniwala ka bang maganda ang iyong produkto? Yes. Naniniwala akong maganda ang aking produkto gawing ating church. Naniniwala ka bang maganda ang church mo? Yes. Naniniwala akong maganda ang aking church. Then you should dress up according to what the beauty of your church is. Diba? You should act. You should reflect according to what beauty that there is in your church. There is in our church. Because the beauty of our church should be reflected in the single individual members of the church. Tama?
Amen.
Hindi dahil sa naniwala ka, kundi dahil sa inaabot mo yung faith na yan. So in Christian circles, true leadership, which is led by the Spirit of God, should have the same and special biblical or scriptural characteristic. Diba? So, mga kapatid, again, hindi po ako hihingi ng anumang full, sorry, talagang siguro dito. Pero other than this po, sabi ko nga po kanina, I am expecting na parang ito ay worship service. So I prepare something that is very different from this. Pero ganun pa man, maraming salamat for your time and attention na ipinagkaloob. God bless you.